What's up mga Ka Beauties? Welcome to today's video and welcome back again to my channel. This is Leigh Online Style. So for today's video again, na-receive na naman tayong package. I'm so thankful no dahil every now and then talaga namang lagi may package sa aking mailbox no galing sa mga generous na mga company of different company na nagbibigay at nagsisend sa akin ng mga product nila to review. Anyway, without further ado, let's jump into this package. So ito na mga Ka Beauties. Ito yung aking package na receive. Actually, may iba pa, no? We'll just review that later. Kasi once a week ako mag-post ako ng video. So, one video every week. Ganon. So, anyway, so this is the package that I received. It's from Amazon. When you see Prime, it's Amazon. Ayan. So, obviously, you can get their product at Amazon. So, I will put their description down below on my description box, including this one na sinend nila sa akin para naman, if you wanna avail this kind, you can check the link that I'm gonna put down below. And hang in there because I'm gonna give you a special code para naman meron kayong discount pag nag-avail kayo ng hair extension. Okay, buksan na natin. Ayan. So, this is from Wennalife Human Hair Extension. So, ayan ang kanilang packaging. Very attractive color. At ayan ang kanilang brand. Ayan. So, medyo deform ang box. But anyway, it's still sealed. Okay. So, when you open the box, ayan yung kanyang laman. Medyo ano lang yung box nila, no? Hindi masyadong maganda yung quality kasi masyadong soft. So, that's why when it arrives, squish na siya. Ayan. So, hindi ganun ka-sturdy yung kanyang box. But anyway, it's just the box. All you have to do is just throw it after. But anyway, so, ito yung laman ng kanyang box. There's a little handbook here. This is how you take care of the hair extension. Ayan. It's like a hair care and it's very cute. Boom, boom, boom. Ayan. So it has all the instruction you need to take care of this extension. So, pag nagkapali pa naman kayo, ewan ko na lang. No? Napakadaming guide nito. Okay, so let's already jump into this dahil excited na akong itry. Okay, merong warranty gift card. Ayan. Kita nyo naman. Amazon. Okay. Oh my God! It has like a freebie. Meron akong false eyelashes. Ayan, Diyos ko, pamaypay na lashes ito. Ang ka-fall. Ayan. I don't know if it comes with lashes every time you order to them. It's very rare na bibili kayo ng product na merong extra item. This is really good. Ayan o, hindi ako nagbibiro. And I think it's really good quality. And I like the case. It's a hard case. Gusto kong, ay, ang ganda ng ganun lang pala. Ayan. So, ganyan. Oh, in fairness, soft. Oh, yan. So, malambot. Parang mink lashes yata ito, which is, I'm gonna try this later. Let's focus on the extension. So, ito yung kanyang hair extension. Of course, it has a crocodile clip. Isa nga lang din. So, I don't know. I just noticed na every time you get isa lang. Bakit isa lang? Hindi dalawa. Anyway, nagreklamo na naman ako. Libre na nga lang, nagreklamo ka pa. So, ayan. And, my favorite, tail comb. Ayan. Ganito yung gusto ko, tail comb. So, meron siyang free. Kasama na. Although meron ako, so dalawa rin ganyan ko. Gamitin natin yung bago, syempre. Yung kasama na ito, okay? So, tignan natin ang extension. Medyo maliit yung packaging niya. So, naka-ano lang siyang ganito. Plastic pack. So, buksan natin. Including in this plastic bag, it has 2 extra clip. Ayan, that you can use. So, if you're missing a clip, just replace it with any of these 2. Ayan. Masyadong masikip. So, ganito siya. Ayan. It comes inside this net. Ito yung extension. So, this color is number 2, dark brown. So, mostly lahat ng na-try ko na extension is dark brown. So, I don't go with other color, but parang curious akong gumamit ng highlights. So, pag may nag-offer ulit, may highlights ang kukunin natin. Ayan. Titignan natin kung maganda. Kasi parang nakaka-excite gumamit ng ibang kulay na. I don't color my hair. So parang nagka-idea ako na I can do highlights with this extension. Especially pag yung mga ganito na this kind of clip. Because this one is the seamless clip hair extension. Nakaka-excite gamitin. Okay. So, ito yung net niya. Parang nasira ko na siya. Okay, so, this is the hair extension. Ang haba niya. The length of this one is 22 inches. So, mahaba. Mahaba to. Ayan. So, almost parang kasing haba siya ng hair ko. So, ang ganda ng pagka-dark brown niya, which is really matches my hair. Although, mas shiny siya. So, ayan. Tinalo niya ang hair ko kasi mas shiny. Okay? Mabango. Walang amoy. Ayan. And this extension is made of 100% human hair. So, this is the virgin human hair. Usually, pag tinatawag nilang virgin hair, yung the hair has never been touched. So, hindi yun dinaanan ng any chemicals. Never pa kayong either magpakulay, nagpa-rebond, any chemical na hindi pa na-touch ng hair nyo. Kaya kino-consider na virgin hair. Before I work in a salon, so medyo may konting knowledge tayo pagdating sa hair. Ayan. So, yun yung mga tinatawag na virgin hair. Ganyan. So, pag natamaan na ng chemical at nadaanan na ng chemical ang iyong hair, hindi na virgin. Ganyan. Hindi na virgin yon. Okay. Anyway, tigilan natin yung virgin. Kakaurat. Okay. So, ayan. This is the hair. Ang ganda. Di ba? Medyo wavy siya kasi naka ano siya, naka ano ba to? Yung naka ganon kaya nag-wave siya. So this is thick from the top to the bottom. It has 7 pieces clip set. Okay. This is one. And it has 4 clips. Ayan. Paano ko kaya ilalagay ito? Okay. So ayan. So this is the other one. So, 2. So, ito naman maiksi lang. So, parang 2 clips lang siya. Ayan. So, ganyan. Next one. Ganun uli yung length niya. So, 3. 3 na. So, pare-pareho, no? Ang ganda kasi all the hair are even. Wala siyang parang tangles na may maiksi. Ang ganda ng quality. Okay. So, ito. So, ito naman, tatluhan siya. Yung clip. Say, 3 clips. Okay. So, 4 na yun, ano. Ito yung pandima. Ganun ulit. So, parang tigda-dalawa siya. Ito, tatluhan din. Except dun sa longer one, that's only a 1 set for like kinda, I think the one you can put it upper part of your head. And this one is just 1 clip. So probably you can put it on the side. This is really nice. Paganda na paganda yung mga natatry ko. Because for me, I think this is much easier kasi you can control the thickness that you want. But of course, the thicker the better. But we'll see kung magagamit natin siya lahat. So itry natin. Okay, so gamitin natin ang supply niya ito. Meron din siyang brand name. Ayan. Okay. So, ang ganda. Actually, ako mas ano kasi ako sa mga straight lang. Bihirang-bihira ako mag-curl pag gusto ko lang. So, yun nga, dahil nga, gaya ng sabi ko on my previous video, hindi ko naman kasi na-achieve yung volume. But now, na-try ko na through extension, I can receive the volume that I want and the thickness that I want. Parang mahihilig akong gamitin to. And this kind of extension is very easy to use, guys. Ang dali lang siyang gamitin. Easy, clip nyo lang siya. And then, hindi mo naman kailangan everyday gawin. Pag feel mo lang na gusto mong umaga at gusto mong kapal-kapalan ng buhok, ganyan na mahaba. And especially if you have short hair, na parang gusto nyo lang iba ang look nyo, magkaroon kayo ng long hair. Ay! Bongga to. Ako kasi, hindi siya masyadong ganun kahalata because I already have a long hair. So, my purpose is just to thicken my hair and to make a little bit longer. Kasi, mas humaba siya ng konti. Mas humaba pa siya ng konti than my normal length. So, ang ganda. And so, this is very nice sa mga ladies out there. I-try nyo to. And in this case, you don't have to also dye your hair if you or color your hair because you can use extension na may kulay na. They have clip hair extension, yung ganitong seamless na with colors. So, clip on siya. So, maiayos nyo yung blend ng color sa inyong hair just in case you use the one that with colors. So, ayan guys, ang ganda. I'm so thankful and I'm so happy with the outcome ng hair extension na ito. This is the seamless clip hair extension from Wennalife. I hope you will try their hair extension. This is really nice, perfect on all occasions, and perfect to all the ladies out there. Ayan. And of course, para mas bongga, I have a special coupon for you guys. You can use Lay On Style and you can get 8% off on every hair extension that you will purchase on their website. Ayan, you can get their product at Amazon. Like I've said, I will put their description down below on my description box so you can check them out. Again, thank you so much, Wennalife, for sending me this clip seamless hair extension that I really enjoy trying. I hope na nagustuhan nyo ang aking review for this product. So, that's all you have it. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo. And if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And kindly hit the notification bell so you get updated every time I upload a new video. Hanggang sa muli, I'll see you on my next one. Have a blessed day and stay beautiful. Bye!